Insulation is an important part of any building, helping to keep it warm in the winter and cool in the summer. In this beginner's guide, we'll go over the basics of insulation so you can better understand how it works. There are many different types of insulation, including fiberglass, spray foam, and cellulose. Each type has its advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the right one for your particular needs. The R value is an important factor to consider when choosing insulation. It measures the resistance to heat flow, with a higher value indicating better insulation. Different areas require different R values, so it's important to do your research. Proper installation of insulation is crucial to its effectiveness. It's important to ensure that there are no gaps or air leaks, as this can greatly reduce its efficiency. Understanding the basics of insulation is an important step in ensuring the energy efficiency of your home or building. By choosing the right type of insulation and ensuring proper installation, you can save money on energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint.